Welcome. Today, we're diving into a critical but often misunderstood cybersecurity challenge: insider threats. So, what exactly is an insider threat? It's when someone with authorized access to your organization, like an employee, contractor, or vendor, poses a security risk. And that risk could be intentional or completely accidental. There are a few types to know. Malicious insiders might steal data or sabotage systems on purpose. Negligent insiders might just make mistakes, maybe clicking a phishing link or mishandling sensitive files. Then there are compromised insiders, people whose accounts are taken over by outside attackers. Even third-party partners can be insider threats if their access isn't properly managed. But how do you spot an insider threat? Look out for unusual access to data, people logging in at strange hours, or someone trying to bypass security controls. And if you notice large downloads of sensitive info, that's a big red flag. Real-world cases like Edward Snowden or the Capital One breach show just how serious these threats can be. The damage, financial loss, reputational harm, legal penalties, you name it. So, how do you defend against insider threats? Start with access controls. Train your people, monitor behavior with the right tools, and build a culture where everyone is part of the security team. Insider threats aren't going away, but with the right strategies, you can stay ahead of them. If you'd like to learn more about how Cyberhaven is helping our customers address this pressing need, be sure to visit us at cyberhaven.com/IRM. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay smart, and stay secure.